Essential accessories: 3D printer. These accessories will help you get the most out of your 3D printing experience, ensuring better prints and easier maintenance. Let's start. 1. Filament. Ensure you have high quality filament, PLA, ABS, PETG, etc., that suits your printing needs. 2. Nozzle set. Different nozzle sizes for various print resolutions and materials. 3. Build surface. Adhesive build surfaces like paint sheets, glass beds, or magnetic flexible beds for better adhesion and easy print removal. 4. Leveling tools. A feeler gauge or auto bed leveling sensors for precise bed leveling. 5. Scraper/spatula to safely remove prints from the build plate. 6. Calipers. Digital calipers for precise measurement of prints and parts. 7. Cleaning tools. Nozzle cleaning needles and brushes to keep the extruder clean. 9. Lubricants. PTFE lubricant for maintaining smooth movement of printer parts. 10. Filament dryer. Helps keep hygroscopic filaments dry, improving print quality. 11. Glue stick/adhesive, to help with print adhesion on the build plate. 12. Tools for post-processing, sandpaper, files, and knives for cleaning up prints.